Netflix,
down,
Facebook,
down,
Shopify,
down,
everything.
down.
But me? I'm up. Yep, I'm up almost $5,000 on money that I invested 1 year ago. Meanwhile, the stock market as a whole is either flat or down big time, depending on where you look. Which is kind of crazy because only 15% of professional investors did that in 2021. And I'm not even a pro. How did I do this? Did I flip NFTs, sell lumber, or breed golden doodles? No. All I did was follow a plan that I made a year ago.
So now let me talk about how I'm planning on investing my money going forward.
My plan was to have 73% of my money in ETFs, 10% in crypto, 10% in individual stocks, and 3% as a tail hedge. But let's cross that out because I didn't do that. That left about 7% cash to use as a cushion throughout the year. And so, that's what I did. And here we are 1 year later to review what happened and see what we can learn. To be clear, I'm only reviewing investments that I made at least 1 year ago. So that means anything before beginning of May 2021-ish. But why? Well, do you go to the gym for 1 hour and then track the progress of your muscles? No, of course not. So why would we be worrying about the return of an investment that we made a few weeks ago? All right. Got my phone here with my spreadsheet tracking and all this stuff. Let's get to it. So starting with the big winner chicken dinner, we have crypto. See, in the video I made a year ago, just look at this explorer. So I sent him off and then this dude came back to me and I was like, yo, did you find anything good? And he was like, bro, it's good. All jokes aside, I invested just under $7,000 total here into Bitcoin and Ethereum at about a 60-40-ish split between the two, 60% towards Bitcoin and 40% towards Ethereum. And bada boom, bada bing, we're up about 40%, making just under $3,000, despite multiple market crashes too, I might add. How did I do this? Well, honestly, it was actually pretty straightforward, and I'll tell you exactly how I did it in just a moment. But first, I need to ask you a question. Would you like $10,000 or even $25,000? No? Okay, carrying on then. So Bitcoin, oh, sorry. You would. Then listen very closely. Newton, my day one favorite crypto exchange, is teaming up with me in this video to give you guys a shot at winning some very big money. So they're running a big giveaway right now worth $200,000 total, and you'll still be eligible for this even if you already currently have a Newton account, which I know many of you watching do. So there's two giveaways. Here's how they work. If you're a current Newton user, you can participate in the referral giveaway by referring one of your friends to join Newton. Each time one of your friends opens up a new account and deposits $100 or more, they will be entered into the referral giveaway draw, and if they win, you win too. But if you're not a current Newton user, you can sign up for an account by using my link down below. And once you've set up and verified your account and deposited $100 or more, you'll also be entered into the giveaway. If your name is drawn, we will both win a prize, but I will personally give you my half of the winnings because I don't want to win any of this. I want you guys to be the winners here. So yeah, feel free to use my link down below. Maybe double your winnings by doing that. Fingers crossed for you. Okay, and then giveaway number 2, if you have either Instagram or Twitter, you can start participating in this one by following Newton on either of those social media apps. On Instagram, all you'll have to do to be entered into the giveaway after following Newton is like the Instagram giveaway post and tag one of your friends. And then on Twitter, all you'll need to do is retweet the post and then reply to it. Easy peasy. Now, these giveaways are only running until May 6th, so you better get a move on. There's not much time left. Thanks to Newton for sponsoring this video and for helping Canadians get interested in crypto and for doing this awesome giveaway. Fingers crossed, good luck to everybody watching. I really hope one of you guys wins. Okay, so now, as promised, here's what I did to get that return in crypto last year. All I did, this is pretty much literally it. All I did was just add small amounts of money consistently day after day for certain periods of time. This is known as dollar cost averaging, and this is one of my best friends when it comes to investing. In crypto, I usually pause or start dollar cost averaging depending on a few factors like this logarithmic regression band, but that's a story for another day. So how does that 39% gain measure up against the stock market or even the total crypto market? Pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. Now let's take a look at my stock picks, another 10% of the portfolio. So here's where I kind of have mixed feelings, and that's because I'm super happy with Tesla. I love the company. They're just killing it right now. And I love how volatile the stock is too, because it makes it pretty easy to scoop up deals. Square, on the other hand, I mean, what a bummer. I actually ended up selling Square because their operations just can't seem to really catch up to their valuation right now, as well as Tesla anyway, so I'd much rather be allocated to Tesla in this case. And yes, I did just say operations catching up to the valuation of Tesla, because listen to this. At an estimated 12 earnings per share annualized for 2022, that prices them at a PE of 73 today, not the 179 you see most people point to, while they're growing 70 to 80% right now year over year. So you do the math. Actually, we could do the math together sometime if you'd like. Just make sure you're subscribed and comment down below if that's something that interests you. Performance-wise, even with Square as a big bruise, I still smoked the market. And if we just compare my two discretionary investments, crypto and the stocks together, we didn't just smoke the average, we burnt it. And then finally, we have the bulk of my portfolio, my trusty index ETFs. These, of course, just earned whatever the market index earned. That's exactly how they work. So I'm perfectly fine with this return, given that it pretty closely aligns with the S&P 500, which is a major market index. Now, putting it all together, so if we weight everything properly, that gives me a total 1-year return of 9.22% versus 2-ish% on the S&P 500 and -8 on the NASDAQ. Well, that's going to be it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you maybe learned something, and make sure to subscribe if you want to see the next annual review. Now that spring is here, I'm gonna go enjoy some nice weather. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.